Welcome to Torque Studio. Today we're diving into a design style that's perfectly suited for backyards: rustic outdoor kitchens. Whether you're looking to build something from the ground up or refresh your existing setup, rustic design offers timeless character, warmth, and a connection to the natural landscape around you. Rustic style is all about embracing imperfection and working in harmony with nature. It's less about polish and more about authenticity, something that really comes alive in an outdoor setting. With the right materials and finishes, a rustic kitchen can become the heart of your yard, a space to cook, gather, and relax. Here are some ideas to help you bring rustic charm to your backyard kitchen, whether you're starting from scratch or refreshing an existing space. Number 1. Add texture with materials. One of the simplest ways to bring rustic charm into your outdoor kitchen is through textured materials. Reclaimed wood, weathered finishes, and rough stone surfaces all add depth and character. Interior designer Kriste Michelini suggests using board and batten for a timeless base and pairing it with leathered black granite countertops for a rugged, earthy aesthetic. Number 2. Build a rustic outdoor kitchen from natural stone. If you're building from scratch, consider using natural stone. Not only does it look like it belongs in the landscape, but it also weathers beautifully. A stone-built kitchen blends right into its surroundings and gives your backyard a sense of permanence and authenticity. Just keep in mind, this type of build may limit your cabinet storage, but the trade-off is worth it. Number 3. Decorate with natural materials in a contemporary space. Even if you have a more modern space, you can still introduce rustic touches. Mix sleek finishes with raw materials like wood and stone to add warmth. In one California ranch-style home, wood accents were added to cabinetry, bar stools, and walls to soften the look and create a rustic modern balance. Number 4. Add rustic charm with a wooden outdoor kitchen. If you want to fully embrace the rustic look, go all in with wood. Use it for your kitchen structure, flooring, or even a pergola. In one setup, mid-toned wood cabinetry paired with a black countertop created a cozy, lived-in feel. The best part? Wood gains character over time, making your kitchen even more charming as the years go by. Number 5. Keep it simple with open shelving. For smaller spaces or those who prefer flexibility, a freestanding kitchen with open shelving is a fantastic rustic option. Open shelves not only provide functional storage, but also let you create visual layers with pots, tools, and decor. It's easier to adapt or update over time, and it keeps things feeling light and approachable. Rustic outdoor kitchens combine charm, texture, and practical design in a way that feels both timeless and personal. Whether you're adding small rustic touches or building a full setup from natural materials, the key is to keep it grounded and harmonious with your yard. Thanks for joining us here at Torque Studio. If you found inspiration in these ideas, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. What's your dream rustic outdoor kitchen feature?